Hey everyone, today I'll be reviewing the deck screws. So I'm doing a honeydew list, making some shelves. So I wanted me some fast driving, self-tapping screws. So no more dropping the screws, these stick. And so I got me some T25s, and they fit very nice and snugly. So yeah, so when I'm like, well, let's test these out right quick. Over here, do that right there. Got me a piece of test wood. Already drilled one piece, so let's put this bad boy in here. So test it out. Now I believe in safety, so let me put on my gloves. I'm doing this in the house, so hopefully the wife don't start coming in here complaining. So let's test this bad boy out. All right, now I'm just going to drill it a little bit. So you see, so it's going pretty good. Let me see how far I go. Ooh, yeah, those screws are good. Let me back it up. There we go. So these are weather resistant. These are 9 by 2.5. Now these come in 350. And it got a nice case, nice little handle. So if you're looking for some deck screws that the weather won't rot and destroy, and it comes in a nice little carrying case where you could put it in your workshop and won't get lost, I highly recommend these deck screws.